Hi, I'm Paul Bonner here at Conicelli Toyota of Conshohocken, and I'm excited to share some fantastic service specials available to you throughout August. Let's keep your Toyota running at its best this summer. Is your Toyota due for maintenance? You got it. This August, get an oil change and tire rotation for just $89.95. Regular maintenance ensures your vehicle runs smoothly and efficiently. Save more when you spend more. Makes sense with our Spend and Save coupon. Get up to a whopping $150 off. That's right, $150 off same-day service. The more you spend, the more you save on your service needs. Stay cool this summer with 10% off an air conditioning recharge or repair. Make sure your AC is in tip-top shape to keep you comfortable in the summer heat. These specials are available for a limited time, so don't miss out. Schedule your appointment today and let our certified technicians take care of your car. Visit us online at conicelliservice.com or simply give us a call at 888-289-5948. Conicelli Toyota, a nice place to do business.